In the sweltering heat of Montgomery, Alabama, in 1955, a spark of defiance ignited the flames of change. Rosa Parks, a humble seamstress, was weary of the daily indignities she faced on the city's public buses, and on December 1st, she made a stand. Refusing to give up her seat to a white passenger, she was arrested, sparking a chain reaction that would echo through the annals of history. For African Americans in Montgomery, the buses had long been a symbol of oppression. The city's bus system mandated racial segregation, enforcing a cruel and unjust hierarchy that defined the daily lives of its black citizens. The searing injustice had festered for years, but it was Parks' defiance that brought the issue to a boil. The news of Parks' arrest spread like wildfire, igniting a storm of protest and outrage. The Montgomery Improvement Association, MIA, led by a charismatic young minister named Martin Luther King Jr., took the lead in organizing a city-wide bus boycott. It was a bold move, one that would test the resolve of both the black community and the city's white power structure. On the morning of December 5, 1955, the streets of Montgomery were eerily quiet. The usual bustle of buses and passengers was replaced by a palpable tension. The black community, united under the banner of the MIA, had vowed to boycott the buses until segregation was abolished. This was more than a protest, it was a testament of resilience, a stand against the oppressive status quo. The boycott was not without its challenges. The city's white power structure retaliated, imposing heavy fines on the MIA and arresting its leaders. But the black community remained steadfast, relying on carpools, walking, and bicycles to navigate the city. The boycott was a test of endurance, a test of wills, and a test of the power of unity. As the months wore on, the boycott gained national attention. Civil rights leaders from across the country flocked to Montgomery, lending their support and increasing the pressure on city officials. The boycott had become a symbol of the civil rights movement, a beacon of hope for a brighter future. On November 13, 1956, after 381 days of protest, the Montgomery bus system finally agreed to desegregate. The bus boycott had been a triumph, a testament to the power of peaceful resistance. It marked a turning point in the civil rights movement, inspiring future battles for equality and justice. The Montgomery bus boycott was more than a protest, it was a testament of resilience, a stand against oppression, and a beacon of hope for a brighter future. It demonstrated that even in the face of adversity, the power of unity could overcome the most formidable of obstacles. The echoes of that spark of defiance continue to resonate, a reminder that change is possible when we stand together.